Maka. Right now I'm Josh Taylor.
And I'm Shanti.
Shanti.
You can just call me Shanti.
Alright, so we'll start with the first question. What's your plans for this summer?
For this summer, I actually haven't thought about it yet. Wala pa akong naisip na plans so
Wala
far.
pa?
Wala. I don't know. Ngayon ko nga lang na-realize na magsa-summer na pala.
Oh yeah.
Kasi my head is still in Japan.
You've been to Japan?
Yeah, I was in Japan last year.
Oh wow.
Around October, I think November or something.
So no plans this summer?
Yeah, wala pang plans. But, siguro if I'll just think of something random or come up with something random, feeling ko I'd like to make plans with the Maka cast.
To do what?
I don't know, something fun, something for the summer. Like, go out, swim, or sa falls, yung mga sa falls, diba?
Hopefully mangyari.